Hey guys, John here. It's been a while since I posted a video on poise, and I've been getting numerous calls on this condition. So I thought I'll just address you guys on few of the points which I thought is necessary. One is that though this condition is rare, uh, I would I can really say that you don't have to be disheartened about it because there is a way out. I have personally suffered from it for 17 years, and I have got that breakthrough, and life is lot comfortable right now. Um, so you guys are only just few steps away. Secondly, don't restrict yourself to the internet. Start talking to doctors, start talking to people who have gone through this condition, if at all you know anybody. um, Students especially, I would suggest that speak to somebody in the family or some elderly friend if you can, some matured person. The most likely answer they probably would give would be that there is no such thing, or this all in your head and all that stuff. uh, but just uh, uh, just emphasize on the fact that no, this is happening to you, and there is research on this that address this condition, accept this condition. So it is not something that you just feel, it is true. And you know because why you may need an elderly support is because sometimes you may have to meet doctors, you may need funds, you may need to talk to people, you may need funds. So at least they will be able to provide that for you. And also probably they would have had a similar feeling, and probably they would have some pointers to give you, so even that, in that way, it could help you. So when I personally was going through this issue, uh, I asked myself, how much is this issue worth to me? So is it worth 10,000, 20,000? And then I came out with a figure, and then I said, okay, this is my budget, and I'll start experimenting and trying out different things, knowing fully well that I may not get the solution in just meeting one doctor, or just trying out one thing, or just attending one or two seminars. To be honest, I just started spending as per my budget, and I just experimented, just kept patient, but kept on doing something new. And I think that was the key. Had I just accepted the fact that it's a rare condition, there may be no solution to it, this is my life, and this is all that there is, I would never have got the solution. And I'm very proud today that life is a lot more comfortable. um, and some of you guys have given me that honor to serve you. Thank you so much for that. I think recently one guy told me that, thank you for bringing out such videos, because even though you have come out of it, it is not that you are limited to yourself. I think that was a very satisfying kind of feedback, so thank you so much. um, I would sincerely urge all to start taking action. Um, don't be worried about people, uh, you know, um, scamming and stuff, because right now that should not be the major concern. The major concern should be you get pointers, you get a few points from here and there, because solution directly may not be available. uh, you can get in touch with me, but I am quite but I know, because from talking to people, people have been calling me, I realize that there is an apprehension to trust. So then the other way out is, just try to gain that courage, try to get that confidence, experiment a bit, try different things, and then gather all these points and then implement it in your life, and God willing, and you will find the breakthrough. uh, I would sincerely urge y'all to even get, you can, if you have the courage, you can always get in touch with me and give me that honor to serve you, because I know what that pain has been, suffering for this condition for 17 years. So I know this pain. So don't lose hope. And also another myth out there is that this condition is caused because of excessive masturbation when we were young, or we were in our teens. This is not true at all. This is simply an immunity condition. So it has nothing to do with excessive masturbation and all that, so please don't feel guilty, and just stay calm, take massive action. I wouldn't suggest taking steroids or injecting yourself with substances and stuff. Yeah, there are simple solutions to it. So we can discuss this in detail based on your specific condition. um, and really stay blessed, be calm, be comfortable, and take a lot of action. Is that what I can say at the moment? Take care, guys.